Hi guys, Sagar here. Hope you understood the previous one. Today we have the sixth question of exercise 11.2 is the last question of this exercise. So we have to express sine 75 plus cos 65 in terms of trigonometric ratios of angles between 0 and 45. So I would consider this as the easiest question of the exercise. So let's consider the given thing. So we have sine 75 plus cos 65. Since both of these angles are above 45 and I mean to say they're between 45 to 90, I can convert them into the like 90 minus theta, so they would become below 45 degrees. So I would write 75 as 90 minus 15. So 75 would be 90 minus 15 and 65 would be 90 minus 25. We know that sine 90 minus theta equal to cos theta. So this would be cos 15 and cos 90 minus 25 would be sin 25. Since sin 90 minus theta is equal to cos theta and cos 90 minus theta equal to sin theta. That's it. 15 and 25 degrees are both under, I mean to say both lie between 0 and 45. And so this is the answer of this question. That's it. Hope you understood the question. Let's meet in the next one. Subscribe for more solutions. Thank you.